distracted by some horses.
They see, you know, some bears, some horses.
I know, right? Favorite breakfast ever. Avena con canela, just oatmeal. And then cornmeal with cinnamon, harina de maíz, sorujito, mayo quechu, and a ham and cheese pressed. All of this was $11.94. Y jugo de parcha. The last time I came, they had the Hellman's brand mayo ketchup. It was like pre-packaged. Yeah. I remember I took some home. That's the mall right there, and the movie theater. Puerto Rican version of Frosted Flakes. At the supermarket, one of my favorites. We got tons of American products. I've never seen pineapple Pillsbury cake. I remember when I lived here, they used to serve these juices in the cafeteria in school. These canned juices, and I didn't like them at all. These are a treat. You don't see these everywhere. Cameo cookies. Let me know if you guys know about these. Looks like Game of Thrones got to Puerto Rico. Game of Thrones Oreos. All the bimbo cookies you can think of. And the only ones I used to like when I lived here were the coconut ones. That's it. They have a lot of cream filled. Kind of like Oreos. Banqui, another classic. That wasn't my favorite. Maria cookies, these I like. I used to eat these when I lived here. They got florecitas, I don't like those. Got the trendy fault line cake here. That's cute. This is what we got at the supermarket. We got some bread, quick, cheese whiz, jamon picao. These two go together. We got some frosted flakes, aka zucaritas in Puerto Rico, and a bunch of crackers. We got butter flavored, regular, vanilla, and we got these favorita wafers. These are, I think, my favorite cookies, traditional cookies that are found here. They're like a vanilla wafer cookie. That's all there is to it. We got some Honey Nut Cheerios. I love this stuff. Fiesta mix. It has pork rinds in it, tortillas, Cheetos, Doritos, regular pork rinds, water, farina. So we've gotten so far. I'm sure we'll get more. Let me show you the house. We rented a house through Airbnb in the town of Moca, which is like a 30-minute drive from the Aguadilla airport. That's the entrance to the house, which leads into the kitchen. It's a small kitchen, but it's pretty comfortable. Over this way, this is like a utility closet. It has like a washing machine and a second bathroom. And you walk over this way and you have the dining room, living room. The living room is a really good size. It's nice and fresh in here with the fans. And we have Pégate el Mediodía on the TV because we're here. They were nice and put out a playpen. It's kind of dirty, but they put new sheets in it. That's a storage closet. This is another bathroom. So there's 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. This door out here leads to a pretty nice backyard. this is where the 2 rooms are. It's where my mom is staying. This is where me and the baby will be staying. So it looks like a full-size bed. I like that it has a dresser so I can unpack my suitcase, which I'm in the middle of doing. Has a closet, big closet. But the best thing is the AC unit. I think it's a must if you're gonna be staying in Puerto Rico. You have the marquesina once you open the kitchen door, which is where you put the car, and it's nice and shaded, which is awesome. And this is the front of the house. Those double doors, you can open them and that'll lead to the living room. Oh, the view is so nice. So this is the front of the house. Puerto Rico wins for newborn shoes. They have so many shoes for newborn. Meanwhile, in the US, I struggled to find newborn shoes. I mean, look at these. Oh my goodness. So the pork chop is fried the way they fry the chicken wings. Like if you thought Chinese chicken wings were good, it was amazing. I don't even know where to start. You're blandita. Nice and soft. You know you're in Puerto Rico when you get mayo queso at the Chinese place. Trust me. You gotta get Chinese food when you go to Puerto Rico. Off to the pool. Vacay mode in full effect. She is knocked out. It looks so different now after the hurricane. Wow, it's totally different. Wow. It's so weird, like, to see it. It's, wow. I'm like a little speechless. It's so different. Look at that mansion up there. That's new. I haven't seen that. Crystal clear water. You can see right through. Look at that. It's like glass. There comes Hector running. Prior to the hurricane, you can walk up to that Puerto Rican flag there and take a picture. Like, the sand used to reach all the way over there, and ever since the hurricane Maria, the coastline is different now. And this here, this section a couple months ago had houses like buried in the sand, and I guess they removed them already. And there was a lot more palm trees, like a lot. And then over here in this area, there used to be like 3 separate bridges. Those are underwater now. And this part extended further out, but it got cut right there. It's so sad to see it so different. I used to jump off of this all the time as a kid, like way out there. Juan today. Puerto Rico has a bowl too, just like New York. You can do a sidecar tour. How cute are these? Got it. This is where Jimmy Fallon and Bad Bunny started the music video to Mia.
It was constructed in 1753. It's a chapel.
We're at the Parque de las Palomas now. Outside of the park they sell food so you can give to them and they'll come and stand on you so you can take pictures.
Soy limonada. Adiós, 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 mi diosa del mar, mi reina del pampa. Me voy, ya me voy, pero un día volveré a buscar mi querer, a soñar otra vez. San Juan, a buscar mi querer, a soñar otra vez en mi viejo San Juan.
More walking. We're getting our cardio in today.
Eso fue un hecho de protesta.
This is called the Bandera de Luto, so the flag of grief. Notice the trees inside. That is so cool. The streets look like they're made of mother of pearl, or like they're coated in mother of pearl.
We're going to El Morro. It's so hot right now. Okay, right here.
So this is part of the wall of the Morro, which goes all the way down there, which is a wall built to protect from invaders back in the day. Piragua, piragua. Morro time!
Featuring Forever Glory.
Yay! We made it to Chocolate Cortés. Look at all the little books. Oh, it's right there. They sell those here. Those are super old. I have a few of them. And my mom bought for me last time she came here. They used to come in the packaging when you bought one. With cinnamon, without. Yo quiero un quesito cortés.
¿Para llevar?
Sí.
¿Sería todo?
No. ¿Cuál es la diferencia de estos dos? Like,
Este es dark chocolate, este es milk chocolate.
dark chocolate, okay. Vamos con el spicy caramel. It's so good. It's really chocolatey. Pandora, Puerto Rico. Okay, let's try it together. Oh, I already been.